fruits. My decorations. Minglava Machimuya English Seasinga Jozo Bade, Burglish Gale Jozo Bade, Burglish Soda Bamazgane, English Gao, Yobia Kaja, Burglish Lokore. Welcome, Jozo Bade, Lopiojana. Dinero Jimodoa, Pati Oblimio season amle, Hlamin and Eli Piopiamina. So to plan a party. Season, no? So I held a little party for my neighbors and it was fun for the holidays. So how do you plan a party? I will show you. So the first is food. You want to get food, a variety of food, but food that is simple yet tasty, no? But mazonaro pati lochem food. Hine, no? Hine, mone bari yuamle. Okay, so jimon soen, simple. Yo lebe, dabime yada shireha. No? Simple, but tasty. Simple, yo lebe, dabime, tasty. Delicious. Yada shire. No? Okay, food. So the rules are, when you get food, it should be something savory, something that fills you, and healthy. Savory, healthy, and also a little bit sweet, right? So that's what we want, a whole variety. Okay, so jimuado hine yuen, food yuen, savory ya yada shira, piera ha, healthy, jamaye shira ha, so vegetables de yude, and something sweet, a chocho. Not a cho. So like cookies, right? So we had veggie dip, vegetables, no, ayuate, hindi ayuate, shire, celery, tomatoes, and it's healthy, jamaye dwagaune, grapes, fruits, atina dwe, atirile, shire, 8 batima. Now to kurado, cookies, a cho we. Fine.
Thank you.
Wait, we need to see your ID. We need to see your ID.
I see. Right.
Cheers.
You got me?
Okay, so secondly, don't forget the drinks. Pyoye mamina, no? Don't forget drinks. Water is always essential. Yeo, amyedme lore. And pyoye, not juice, like to liven it up, right? Don't forget the drinks. Remember, guests are the heart of the party. Guests are the heart of the party. They are the center of the party. Make sure you're connecting with them, talking to them. Talk to everybody, okay? That's your job as the host or the hostess. So you are the one creating this party. You're getting everyone together. That's the most important part. Guestia, guests, Di patiya nalondo pionaina not nalonto atroa. It's the center troa ayan ye jira di patiya twale di ederia di patiya twa ayan ye jira era jaun alongo guestio tengejin host ka alon ekame no, that's your job as a host. Ekan tayao piame no, but no same zagapio ame. So the best part of the party is when all the guests connect and they have a good time. Era di accounzo paingaro di patiaro ederia sasayen zagapioyen tropioshene raga accounzo pai patia accounzo pai. It's the best part. Accounzo pai, right? Sasana, they're connecting. Sasana. Sasani as a gapionira, they're connecting. So have a great party and let me know how it goes. I hope I'm invited. No? Have fun. See you next time. See you next week on Burglish.